Hey traders, what is up? This is Munya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back again with another video on analysis. We're analyzing some indices right here, which we're going to be trading this coming week, right? So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified the moment I post a video. So with this analysis, guys, I try to give you the most honest and real opinion. I don't even look at the charts before. I'm looking at the charts with you for the first time now, right? So that I give you the most honest opinion and the most brilliant experience. So I'm also looking at the charts for the first time, and I'm looking at V25. We're going to look at V75. Maybe we're going to look at V100 and some other indices if we still have time, right? So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by, I'm in the daily time frame. I'm going to start off by basically labeling, basically looking for my trend. I can see V25 has been trying to push up, although it's sort of like consolidating, right? And then maybe let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame we can neatly see our charts. Maybe we can already spot some interesting things right here, some interesting trends which are happening right here. Sorry. Okay, what's happening? Okay, I think I have it this time. Yeah. So this has been the behavior of V25, right? I don't know what's happening. Okay, this has been the behavior of V25. There was consolidation up to this point. It's still trying to push up, but not very much. Here it was definitely driving down. No questions about that, right? So this is how it has been behaving currently. So let's move on to maybe the 4-hour time. Okay, so already if you are in the 4-hour time frame, right, already you can see how it's behaving. Let me move this line closer so that I have more lines. Or this can be argued as, maybe let me look at the 1-hour time frame and see. Okay, I just lost some of my lines. You can say the line has been like this. I'm trying to have the most number of touches, right? The most number of touches. Maybe let me start from this point. Yeah. Okay, I'm in a 1-hour time frame. I'm also going to look for my higher highs, my areas of, okay, this is a bad one. Let me start from my lower lows. The lowest for the day was this. Forgive me guys, I don't know how my computer is behaving. And the highest currently is this. From this. Okay. And then we also have a resistance level here. You can see price tested it a lot of times, sometimes rejecting it. And we also have another level here, level of rejection. You can see it goes on even to this point. Okay, so this is currently V25 for you. What I am anticipating is obviously a bounce, then going down, right? I'm anticipating a bounce, then going down, maybe to this level, and maybe price will try again to push maybe up to this. Okay, apparently today I can't use my computer. I don't know why. Okay, something like this. Price might push to this level, then bounce back, or might continue maybe let me push this to this level. That's our first take profit. And then maybe price may later continue from here going down, or it then bounces and goes all the way to reach that position, right? But initially I'm going to enter a sell. Where is my sell? My sell, maybe my stop loss will be a little bit tight, but my take profit level is at here, which is a good one. I have more than 3.5 as my risk reward ratio. That is good. That is brilliant. If we win this trade, we are in it. Maybe let me just adjust my stop loss to be there, right? And my take profit to be there, which is basically 1:3. If you know me, guys, I always preach 1:3. Okay, somewhere there. That's V25 for you. Let's go to V75. I'm already running out of time. Remember, I'll be seeing this for the first time. So, V75. So the analysis might take long. Let's start off from the daily time frame as usual. Okay, the daily time frame seems to be consolidating a lot. Okay, you can actually see this. You can actually see this. These consolidations happening. Price pushing up and down, pushing up and down. Right. Okay, maybe let's go to the 1 4-hour time frame and let's see if you can identify a trend. Okay, yeah, there's a nice trend. Okay, maybe let me start it off here so that I get the most number of touches. That's what I always do when doing this analysis. Even here I can just do this, still fine, or this basically, because I've already identified where my price is. You can also see this level is the highest. You can also see this level as the lowest. You can go up to this point. This one goes up to this point covering, but I'll just leave it here. Okay, this is my 4-hour time frame. I'm already seeing that price is going to push down a little. Let me go to the 1-hour time frame. So if you want to get this analysis on time, kindly press the notification bell so that you're notified the second I post. Okay, I can also see another level here, which also justifies my my analysis, which my trade, which I'm about to enter. Price has been resisting again here, so let me not be quick to judge, because here also has been a level of support. You can see price was bouncing here, then here it broke, and then it came back again. So we don't know if it's gonna bounce or if it's gonna go up. But because I missed this, I was supposed to enter a sell from this position and maybe write it down. So now I'm expecting, if it breaks, I'm expecting to enter a trade. If it doesn't, I'm expecting the bounce, right? And yeah, we were probably late. We were supposed to enter this. Do I have a brush or something so that I can circle? Okay, I can't find it. Okay, maybe this one. No. Alright, we're supposed to enter a sell at this point. We were at resistance and at the same time our trend line. So now we wait for the breakout or for the bounce. Right, that's V75 for you. These are the possible things you can do. But once it breaks out here, enter a sell and ride it to this level. If it decides to bounce, it's gonna break this resistance and push up. Okay, maybe let's look at V10, V100, sorry, V100. Daily time frame, as usual. Identify my highest price level, which are these. My lowest, just these. My trend I usually, okay, I also have another region here. My trend I usually go maybe to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, apparently I think this is the highest of since March. This is the highest since March. This is the highest yeah, from February. This was the highest point. So this is a little bit tricky. But it's obviously wiser to sell at this point. Let me not conclude before going to the 1-hour time frame and see if I can get a proper entry for a sell. Okay, I'm saying I'm expecting price to bounce at this level and then push down. So price is gonna push a little bit, and then once it reaches this level, it's gonna start dropping, right, to another peak level here. This is my anticipation. Maybe let's look at something else. What is it? Which one is easier? V50 or V10? Okay, let me go for V10. For one daily time frame, sorry. Daily time frame. From the daily I can see these. From the daily time frame I can see okay, I don't know what's happening with my computer today. Maybe let me go to the 4-hour so that I won't step. Okay, from the 4-hour there's a nice trend here. There's another one here. So what about this? We'll adjust them as we go to lower time frames because it will be more clearer. Okay, this is apparently what V10 has been doing. We have another zone of resistance here. There's a nice zone, and then we have another support zone which was broken here. Price retested it and then went down. Right, let's go to the 4-hour. See, to the 1-hour, sorry. Okay, again, you can see that price retested and then went back down. So probably it's aiming this zone, which is also a bounce on our trend line, if you can see. Right, price has been bouncing, probably that's the next target. So I would enter a sell. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button and the like button. Until next time, goodbye.